One day Jesus was praying alone, and his disciples were with him. He asked, "Who do people say I am?" They answered, "Some say John the Baptist, others Elijah, or one of the old prophets." And Jesus said, "But who do you say I am?" Peter replied, "You are the Christ of God." Jesus told him not to tell this yet, and he said, "The Son of Man will suffer, be rejected, and be killed, but on the third day he will rise again." People wondered, who is he? Prophet, teacher, who can he be? Peter stood and said with might, "You are God's Christ, God's light." Not afraid, we will say, Jesus is the Christ today. Oh, you are the Christ, the Son of God. You save the world with love so broad. Died and risen, Lord of all. Jesus, we will hear your call. Yeah. Jesus said he'd suffer pain. Yeah. Jesus said he'd suffer pain. Yeah. Die then rise to life again. Yeah. Though the cross looked dark that day, life and hope came through that way. Yeah. Not afraid, we will say, Jesus is the Christ today. Ooh. Who do we say?
The Christ of God.
What did he do?
He gave his life.
Where is he now?
Alive on high.
Who do we follow?
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, Jesus is the Christ, God's Son. He died and rose the saving one. I will follow, never stray. With all my heart I'll walk his way. Jesus is the Christ, God's Son, who died and rose the saving one. I will follow, never stray. With all my heart I'll walk his way. You are the Christ, the Son of God. You save the world with love so broad. Ooh, Jesus, we belong to you. Jesus, you are the Christ, the Son of God. Help me follow you, even when it's hard, with faith and love of man.